So we got this situation to integrate. We have sense of e power x. Okay. So if we will see e power x, we will try to create this situation. E power x times f of x plus f dash x dx. Okay. So let's try to create this situation. So if it is e power x, now look at this. You have x square by x plus 2 whole square. Now be super slow and look at the approach. You know that the denominator is carrying x plus 2 whole square. So we can create this denominator if we have x plus 2 as a function, correct na? So we can create this situation. So look at this how we will approach. So my point is we have e power x. Look at this thing. So look at this. So in first component we should get x plus 2 power 1. है ना? So how we will make it possible? We have x plus 2 whole square. So it is only possible if we can create x plus 2 in the numerator as well. Okay. So how we will manage this situation? Look at here. And we can create x plus 2 only if, look at this, we have x square. So if we will subtract 2 square, then we can apply a square, a plus b, a minus b, and because of a plus b, one of them will get neutralized, correct? Because we have subtracted 2 power 2, the equation got unbalanced, so we will manage it by making x power 2 means 2 power 2 we will add as well. So look at this how I will write this situation. So it is x plus 2, x minus 2. Don't think about the remaining thing, but just go with the approach. Okay. So this is 4 by x plus 2 whole square. You cannot manage everything, but at least you can manage something. So look at this. This thing gone. So you got e power x with x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus 4 by x plus 2 whole square. Now let's verify whether we have applied, where we are eligible to apply this formula or not. So for that we have to differentiate the function y equals x minus 2 by x plus 2. So it is dy by dx. Now it is u by v function. So we will keep denominator as it is. We will differentiate numerator. So x differentiation is 1. So it is 1 and differentiation of constant is 0. So minus of, now we will go with the numerator. We will keep numerator as it is. We will differentiate denominator. So differentiation of denominator is 1. Constant differentiation is 0. Now it is denominator ka square. Let's do the simplification. So x plus 2 minus x plus 2 upon x plus 2 ka whole square. This thing gone. So we got 4 by x plus 2 whole square, which we have already. Okay. So according to us, this is f of x and this is differentiation of the given function. Now, can we write down the direct formula? E power x f of x x minus 2 upon x plus 2 with integration constant c. Okay. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.